So what's the solution? Don't build when you can buy, don't buy when you can rent. When we look at our ability, our likelihood of achieving all of those things, those 13 critical capabilities, all the attributes, the way that we have to measure them, our likelihood of doing that with this contract vehicle that I've proposed is very low. The time delay, I said 5 years at least. It's probably going to be way more than that. Effort and sacrifice, that's way up. We got the cost in dollars. It's not the total cost of ownership. I really only costed out day one. Right now we have day two operations that we're concerned with, all the licensing, team turnover, all of those things. And then it's a really high amount of effort and focus on the government's part. Like, you are now focusing on a platform instead of the capabilities that you're trying to deliver to veterans, to the energy sector, to warfighters. DIY is a low value endeavor for you until this equation changes. Until you can get access to all the talent and you can do it in a cost-effective way. Just don't DIY. It's a really, really bad journey. Like at Rise8, we charge a way higher rate than 175, I'll just say that. I make no apologies for it. But that can lead to a corresponding increase in cost, but a disproportional increase in the likelihood of achievement. So just paying a little bit more is going to get you a level of talent that, and there's good research on this, is about a 4x improvement. So that increase in salary translates to 4x more performance on the individual level, and that is going to then lead to a disproportionately lowered time delay. And so now you can increase your value proposition. So if I can't talk you out of DIY, at least put out really strong rates.